So who am I speaking with?
Hi, my name is Scott Draves. I'm a software artist. I created the Flame algorithm and the Electric Sheep Screensaver.
Yeah, I just want to say that presentation was great, and as I understand, both of these sort of artistic pieces you created were open source, and you pretty much opened it up to community to sort of develop on it. What did you learn from the community when you did that?
Well, first, after I released it, the community started to send stuff back to me uh, and build on my code, and they created all kinds of things that I didn't really think were very important, but after they did it, then they really took off, and I realized that they were right.
So be specific. What was it that you didn't think was important?
Well, so for example, having a GUI editor for the genetic code was something that I had really overlooked. As a programmer, I was sort of manipulating stuff directly with code, but once the GUI was created, it totally took off. Another example is in the genetic code for the electric sheep, which is the flame parameter space. It's kind of based on what we call variations, which are sort of like the atoms that combine to make the molecules which combine to make the art. When I initially created it, I had 6 different atoms, and I thought, oh, that's a lot, and it does a million different things. That's cool. But then after I released it as open source, people started adding in more different variations, and it really expanded the expressiveness of this visual language so that it increased the looks of the electric sheep to be way more complex.
So, do you think you could have created any of this artwork if it wasn't for the sort of the community support and creating it as an open code?
Oh, this definitely requires it's a community effort, and it's way more work than I could do myself, and it's just way more ideas than one person has. So whenever I sign my artwork and whenever I publish, I always write it's by Scott Draves and the Electric Sheep to indicate that it's a worldwide effort. It's not just me.
Actually, so if someone wants to actually get the electric sheep, and explain what it is, it's actually a screensaver that's community created, right?
That's right. It's a screensaver, and you can get it from electricsheep.org. Just go to there, click on download. It runs on Mac, PC, Linux, all kinds of stuff. And the way it works is distributed computation, so all the computers in the screensavers work together as a supercomputer to create the art, and all the people behind all those computers influence what everybody sees by voting, and so that runs a genetic algorithm. And then there's more, depending upon your interest, you can become more involved in the project. You can become a genetic designer running one of those GUIs. If you're a programmer, you can actually join the open source team developing the software. So there's a lot of different people have different talents and bring different things to the project.